Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix black bars when using stretched resolution in Apex Legends. Let's get started. First, when open your NVIDIA control panel, mine's already open, just go ahead and search it here, type it in NVIDIA control panel, then pull this one up. And if you're on AMD, the steps are going to be very similar. Just go ahead and create a custom resolution. A popular one is 1440 by 1080. I'm currently using 920 by 1080. And save it and make sure it's available. Now, before launching the game, you want to go to your saved games folder. Same thing, just go ahead and search it here. Let's do that just now. So type in saved games. Oh, saved games. There we go. Open this one up. You want to go to Respawn, click Apex, then go to Local. Then you want to open this file, video config. Open this one up and scroll down until you find the default resolution settings. It should look like this. Now you want to make sure that the width and the height matches with your custom resolution. For example, mine is saved as 1920. I can confirm that it's saved as 1920 by 1080. Then go ahead and save this file and close it. And finally, you can go ahead and launch Apex Legends. This time, the game should run in stretched resolution without black bars. That's it. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.